Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemond and I create content on natural hairstyle and braids and more. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to take you all through how to do simple mini twists. So if it's your first time here and this sounds like something you're interested in, do it to stick with me to the end of this video. First things first, if you're good with lines, if you're good with the boxes, then you can go with box braids. But if you're not good with that, you can go with regular parting, okay? I wanted the box braid method, so that's what I'm doing. After I parted the line, okay, I did 3-strand braids first before twisting. You realize that the twists aren't too tight, it's just the ends that look a bit tight, but in the middle is very fluffy, and that is the aim. Yes, I want to do fluffy twists today, so I'm going to take you all through about 5 to 6 steps and then we'll be done here. Okay, so you first part your line, do regular 3-strand braids, okay, at the base of your hair before you start twisting. Okay, we are doing fluffy twists again, so you make sure you're not twisting too tight like the regular twist that you do. Okay, if you're very good with twists, then you can start with twist from the base, okay, instead of 3-strand braids like I did. To try this again, so first start with 3-strand braids and then you start twisting. Make sure the twists aren't too tight, okay, like loosen your hands, make them fluffy, let the hair flow. Okay, so I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of the video and I will be coming in intermittently. So these twists were inspired by We the Twist Girl on TikTok, and I didn't do it as fluffy as hers, but then I wouldn't call this a fail. Okay, again, after parting your hair, you start with 3-strand braids at the base and then you go ahead with twisting. Okay, again, if you're very good at twists, then you can start with twist from the base instead of 3-strand braids like I did. Look who we have here, last one standing. So 3-strand braids at the base of your hair, then you start twisting. So first, after you do the 3-strand braids, you now separate the middle strand into 2. You add 1 to both left and right sections and then you start twisting. I think I should have said this earlier on. So just follow the steps and you'll be able to get juicy twists as these. You can moisturize your hair in the process so your hair doesn't shrink. And guys, this is how far we have come. Thank you all so much for watching. Kindly like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one.